How to change live location on WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send your live location. Tap on the paperclip or attachment icon at the bottom. From the list that appears, choose location. Now you will see two options: send your current location and share live location. Next, tap on share live location. It will prompt you to choose how long you want to share it for: 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Select any duration based on your preference. But here's the catch: WhatsApp will use your phone's GPS to update the live location in real time. So to change that, you need to trick the GPS system. Go to Play Store and download any trusted GPS spoofing app like fake GPS location. Once installed, open the app and set the location you want to appear as your live location. Tap on the start or play button in the spoofing app to activate the fake location. Now return to WhatsApp and start sharing your live location. Since your device is now using the spoofed GPS location, your live location on WhatsApp will also show the changed location. Keep in mind that this method only works as long as the GPS spoofing app is active. Once you stop it, your real location will be used again. Also, make sure location permissions for both WhatsApp and the spoofing app are turned on. And that's it. Now you know how to change live location on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.